You grab a bottle of water from a cooler. The label says pure. It costs $2. You assume it came from a spring or a mountain or somewhere cleaner than your kitchen faucet. Flip the bottle over. If the fine print says purified water, the bottle started its life in the same municipal pipe that fills your sink. 45% of all bottled water sold in the United States comes from the public water supply. Dasani is made by Coca-Cola. Aquafina is made by Pepsi. Both start with city tap water. So what happens between the pipe and the bottle? What does the factory add back after it strips everything out? And what is the one word on the label that tells you whether the water inside is worth the price? Inside a Coca-Cola bottling facility, the water line and the soda line run from the same source. Municipal water piped in from the city. One stream goes to Sprite, the other goes to Dasani. Same pipe, same building, different label. For most of the 20th century, bottled water meant spring water sourced from an actual geological formation. Then, in 1994, PepsiCo launched Aquafina, purified municipal water in a clean plastic bottle, and proved that Americans would pay a premium for filtered tap water if the story sounded right. It became the #1 bottled water brand in the country. Coca-Cola followed with Dasani. Same source type, better marketing. By 2007, the sourcing was an open secret. Under pressure, Pepsi added 3 small words to Aquafina labels. Public water source. The mountain imagery on the front stayed. Today, the US bottled water market exceeds $20 billion a year. The FDA classifies bottled water into categories: purified, spring, mineral, artesian. But the words that sell the most bottles, pure, natural, premium, have no regulatory definition. Any company can print them on any bottle that meets basic safety standards. Municipal water arrives at the plant through the same pipe that supplies the building's bathrooms. It already meets Safe Drinking Water Act standards. It is already clean enough to drink, but it contains chlorine, minerals, and trace compounds that give it local flavor. The reason tap water in Miami tastes different from tap water in Detroit. Step 1 is activated carbon filtration. Water passes through beds of crushed charcoal that absorb volatile compounds and strip out chlorine. This is the same technology inside a Brita filter. Same chemistry, different scale. Step 2 is reverse osmosis. Water is forced at high pressure through a membrane with pores at the molecular level, 0.0001 microns. A human hair is 75 microns. Only water molecules pass. Everything else, minerals, bacteria, dissolved solids, fluoride, pharmaceutical traces, is blocked and flushed. The rejected water runs dark and concentrated with everything the membrane caught. What comes out the clean side is water with nothing in it. No calcium, no magnesium, no sodium, no taste. Hold it to light and it looks the same as tap water. Drink it and it tastes like nothing at all. Step 3 is ultraviolet disinfection. UV light destroys any surviving microorganisms. The water is now purer than rain, purer than glacier melt, purer than any spring on Earth, and you cannot sell it. Water with nothing in it tastes flat and metallic. No one would buy it twice. That is why the next step exists. The factory puts the minerals back. Step 4 is remineralization. Precise amounts of mineral salts are injected into the stripped water. Dasani adds magnesium sulfate, potassium chloride, and sodium chloride, table salt. Smart Water adds calcium chloride, magnesium chloride, and potassium bicarbonate, marketed as electrolytes. The amounts are so small they provide no measurable hydration benefit. They exist for taste. Each brand's recipe is its proprietary blend. The secret ingredient is a pinch of salt in dead water. Step 5 is ozonation. Ozone gas pumped through as final disinfection. It kills microbes, then converts to regular oxygen and dissipates. Filled, capped, labeled, packed, from municipal pipe to sealed bottle in under a day. Production cost per bottle, 5 to 25 cents. Retail, 1 to 2.50. The markup is not on the water. The water is nearly free. The markup is on the plastic, the label, the truck, and the story on the front. A 40-pack of Kirkland water at Costco costs what 4 bottles of Smart Water cost at a gas station. Same process, same source, same reverse osmosis. The words that sell bottled water have no legal weight. Pure, natural, and premium can appear on any bottle that meets basic safety testing. The FDA does not define them for water. Spring water does have a definition: water from an underground formation flowing naturally to the surface. But enforcement is thin. Poland Spring faced 2 lawsuits alleging its sources did not qualify as springs. The first was settled for $10 million. Arrowhead drew water from a California national forest on a permit that expired in 1988 and operated without authorization for 30 years. Both brands are now owned by the same parent company. Spring on the front of the bottle. A paper trail on the back that tells a different story. In 2004, Coca-Cola launched Dasani in the United Kingdom. Within weeks, journalists discovered the water came from the municipal supply in Sidcup, southeast London. The coverage was brutal, partly because a British sitcom had aired an episode 12 years earlier where the main character bottled tap water from his flat in Peckham, 9 miles from Sidcup, and sold it as spring water. Comedy had predicted the business model. Then it got worse. Food safety authorities found a batch of Dasani containing bromate, a suspected carcinogen, above the legal limit. The contamination came from the remineralization step. The minerals being added back had introduced the contaminant. 500,000 bottles recalled. Dasani pulled from the UK permanently. European expansion cancelled. The process designed to make tap water premium had made it less safe than the tap water it started as. One word on the label tells you almost everything. Not pure, not natural. The water category. Purified means the water started as tap and was filtered. Dasani, Aquafina, Smart Water, all purified. Spring means it was collected at an underground source. Mineral means it came from a protected source with a specific mineral content. Artesian means it was drawn from a pressurized underground aquifer. Purified water is not worse. It is clean and safe. But if you are paying for the filtration, a Brita pitcher uses the same activated carbon as the first step in every bottled water plant. Pennies per gallon instead of dollars per bottle. If you want water from an actual source, look for a place name on the label. Mountain Valley names its spring in Arkansas. Crystal Geyser bottles at the site. A label that names a place is telling you something. A label that only names a process is not. $2 buys remineralized tap water with a mountain on the front. Or 4 months of the same filtration from a pitcher in your refrigerator. Same pipe. Same water. Different label. $2 for a pinch of salt and a story printed on plastic. That's the process. We reveal how things actually work, one story at a time. If there's something you'd like us to explore next, let us know. Until then, trust the process.